Hello everyone. I hope you're sitting comfortably and you're nice and cosy because today is a very special day. I'm about to have a go on the brand new CBeebies Storytime app. There are loads of stories to read. You can read stories from Mr. Tumble, Moon and Me and discover a dragon called Pinchy. Let's take a look, shall we? Oh, wow! It looks like we're in an enchanted forest. Let's explore and find the stories. There's lots of your favourite CBeebies friends in here. Let's take a look at this one. It's Jojo and Gran Gran. Great Gran Gran is dressed up for the St Lucia Carnival. Oh, look! Jojo is upset because they can't attend the carnival as St Lucia is so far away. Never fear though, Gran Gran has a grand plan. They're going to have their own carnival in the garden. They make invitations, cook delicious food and decorate the garden. It looks like they're having a great time at Jojo's carnival. Oh, what a lovely story. Right, shall we read another one? How about an original story? You can find them under bedtime stories in the carousel. Let's take a look at Olana's super senses. Ooh, Olana's grandfather thinks she's a superhero. She has superpowers. Olana is starting a new school full of superheroes. Olana has superpower smell, superpower hearing and superpower touch. Olana looks very happy at her new school and she was right. Everyone is just like her. Magic. Wow, wasn't that amazing? Did you enjoy that? Well, there's loads more brilliant stories in the new Storytime app.